I have learned so many things. I'm very fortunate to be here. All the speakers from the beginning, just amazed at their knowledge sharing and their passion. My deep regards to all of them. Okay, secrets of my success. I was born in a village in East Pakistan. These are my parents. My father was a farmer, and I was brought up in a house like this. No concrete walls, just tin shed, and the cows and calves and children were brought with same affection by our parents. And this kind of house I was so familiar with. And my father used to work hard. And I went to a Bengali medium school next to my village and passed out with good marks. And then I got opportunity to study in Ramakrishna Mission Residential College, Narendrapur, where I studied well and appeared at joint entrance exam and got into medical college. And after passing out, I was thinking what to do, which specialty to take up. Then I remembered this Sanskrit words that Sarva Indriyanam Nanam Pradhanam. Eye is the main sense organ, and I decided to go into ophthalmology. And I did house job in ophthalmology for 6 months at RIO Kolkata. And then I went to Pondicherry, Jeepmar for, I was as a junior resident, I was doing DO there, but didn't complete DO. Got into MS at PGI Chandigarh, passed out. And then I thought that I am not complete ophthalmologist. I don't know anything about retina after passing out MBBS. So I applied for fellowship in Shankanatla, Chennai, and I got into Shankanatla as a retina fellow. And I am so fortunate that I was with Dr. S.S. Badrinath. Whatever I have done in my life is because of his influence. I thought what he has done in his life, Dr. S.S. Badrinath, whatever he has done, if I can do 100th or even 1000th of that, that will be a big thing in my area, in my village, in my small town where I work. So I came back to my small town, Ranaghat. And I thought if I don't start practice here, who will? My other fellows, they will not come here. So I took a place on rent, only 1,000 rupees per month, and started practice with an indirect ophthalmoscope and slit lamp. I didn't have microscope at that time, so I had to take my patients to another nursing home and operate there. And after 5 years of practice, I could buy a piece of land and build my house. And it was constructed in such a way that ground floor and first floor will be for patient care. Ground floor was for outpatients and first floor was for operation theater and beds. I bought an DFA and EAG laser at that time. The number of patients increased because of my sincere service. And following the footsteps of my guru, Dr. S.S. Badrinath, I formed a public charitable trust and left my practice, donated my practice to the trust. One colleague joined me. Number of patients increased to about 100 to 120 per day. And we could purchase a land and start a new hospital. This is Netrojyoti Eye Hospital in a very good location near a railway line on a broad road. So all the credit goes to my patients. They came, they took our service, they gave money, and that's why I could do all this. Only thing I did is I had a very good personal touch. I was very sincere to my patients. Whatever I did with full attention, 100% concentration. And every day, I wanted to improve. I started with ECC and I didn't stay there. I learned SICS and then FECO. And I didn't go anywhere. I just started on my own. And I got inspired by Dr. Suhas Haldipurkar and started FECO. Gradually, we purchased all the machines like ultrasonography, retinal laser, OCT, DFA was already there, YAG laser was already there. This is the OCT machine. All the machines we gradually bought one by one. We have a very good library and we have a lot of patients. We see about 80,000 to 90,000 patients in a year and do about 6,000 surgeries in a year. I have 3 colleagues, one retina colleague, and we are 3 anti-segment surgeons. We have part-time consultants like glaucoma consultant and oculoplasty consultants. So it was a very good journey. I have a passion for teaching. International fellows come to me for learning. I feel very proud for that. I started social media training about 5 years back. My YouTube channel has got 22,000 followers and my Telegram group has got 4,000 members. All the credit goes to my guru, Dr. S.S. Badrinath. It is because of his influence that I had a dream to start to do something. He implanted a dream in me that you should do something for your society. I didn't take up any government job. I just started a small clinic in a rented place and gradually did whatever I have done. The secrets of my success is because of his influence, a dream, and I nurtured that dream for a very long time because I didn't let anybody steal that dream. And I worked hard, persistently and consistently over the years. And I was very sincere to my patients. I never lied to I never gave any false hope. I was very sincere. And it is because of the patients that I am here. I always keep improving. And this is the secret of my success. I thank you, Elan, very much to be here. I have learned more than what I have shared. And thank you very, very much.